In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build your very own e-commerce store using fast funnels. So first of all, we're going to want to create a website rather than a funnel. So we'll click Create New Website, yes. And then if we'll just open that out, it'll allow you to choose a template. Now, the one that you're going to want to use is the online store templates, which you've got here. And then we're just going to go and pick one that looks to be as close that we would like to have it, looking for ourselves. I quite like, let's say this sofa one right here. That looks really good. We'll just click View. We can take a little look at it. You can see we've got some products there ready to sell. And it looks great. So we're going to start with that theme. We can adjust it as we go along, so there's no problem there. I'm going to call it My New Store. And then we can choose a brand color. I'm going to choose this color. And then I'm going to go straight to my site. So Fast Funnels will now build that up for us. And then there it is, ready to go. You can see like the icons have used that key color that we've chosen. But we can go through the styling here and style the whole store actually. The text styling, the fonts, the color, everything about it all in one go. So that makes life very, very easy. And then we've got the sections of our store right here. You need to understand how to use the page builder to start editing all of this stuff. And there's other tutorial videos on that, but it's very, very straightforward. And we've got, the key elements of this are the header, which we can see here. You can see above this arrow is the header. And that's got all of our menu in for the things that we would like to appear. We can build our menus out very easily. Again, there's another tutorial on menus specifically. We can move blocks up and down by using these two if we don't want them there. And then we can, use all of these elements here and just adjust them with the actual text typing. We can adjust all the photos. If we're not happy with a given block, we can always just delete it. And then we can also add new blocks as well. We've got absolutely hundreds of new blocks for you to choose from. Look at all these different blocks, images and texts, galleries, team and testimonials. So many have been built for you to speed up your workflow when you're creating your online store with us. And then if we just go to our store now, and take a little look at the store products that we've got in there. These are all just demo products. Of course, you can add your own and do whatever you would like to do. Add any number of products that you want. And we've got all of these different items right here. So if you want to add a new category, then you can do that. So let's just say we want to add one called stools. There we are. And then you can always add a new product to that category. You can just duplicate one of these products that's already there. And then this time we'll just call that stool 1. There we are, my stool. And then choose the price for it. I think that's a little expensive, so let's just put 200. Whoops. And then we're just going to put that on sale as $97 for our stool. We'll add a new SKU. And then we're going to edit the category that's in. It's not going to be in chairs. It's going to be in stools. And there we are. We can now save that product. And now we've got a new product that we've added. And there it is at the bottom. It's a physical product. And now it is in the category of stools. So what does this look like on the front end? Well, now if I preview this store, here's the main site. You can see it looks really, really nice. And then just at the top here, we can go to our main store like so. And there's the sort of traditional e-commerce store that you normally would expect to see, where you can have all of your products here. People can take a quick look at them, add them to cart. You can see that's just been added right now. We've got our categories here. And then there's the stools category that I set up and our new product, which is right here. If we click on it, we can see the whole product. And of course, you were able to add a full description as well when you set the product up there, with pictures, with all kinds of other information in there. That's fine. And then you can add this to cart as well. So you've got this really nice traditional e-commerce store here, but also with the benefit of having the ability to have other different pages, having a blog and everything all in this one software platform. So there's our store. We can, have a real nice traditional layout there, a high converting store ready to go to start selling your physical product. And it also looks great on mobile as well, as you can see here. In fact, let's just go to tablet view and let's go and take a look at our shopping cart now. If we just switch that over, it looks really, really nice and neat. So I'm just going to come out of there just for a moment. As I said, the other good thing is that you have a blog. If we go to pages, and then just here you can see it's got it labeled as news. Here's the blog posts. You can add new blog posts and delete these off, that's fine. And then if we go to our site, you'll be able to go and see that now. If we go to the builder and then preview, just down the bottom here, this is our blog. Let's go and have a look at a blog post, and you can see it's a bit like a traditional sort of WordPress type blog, in that you've got tags and you've got categories and recent posts, and people can enjoy your email, subscribe to your email there, and then you can get comments on here as well. So really good for getting search engine traffic to your store. Got a contact us page, fully editable there, and then product collections are just here as well. Now, what about if you want to add something to that menu that's not there right now? Very easy to do. We can go to here. Under our store, we really want to have the other category of stools. So I'm just going to add the menu item, and I'm going to go to my store, and I'm going to choose the category of stools. Just click select. Now it's gone to the bottom. I don't want it there, so I'd like to have it just in there like so. I just click save. And now if we preview, we've just been able to add that new category of stools straight to our store there. The other good thing is within the store settings, if we go to store and we go to settings down here, you're going to be able to enter all of your company details. You're going to enter your chosen currency, and then weights and measures for the point of view of shipping items and how you want to do that. And then the store process, add to cart, or are we going to just have people buy the product immediately? You can start with a different invoice number from 1 if you want to. Here's all your shipping options. You can do the shipping cost based on the price of the product or the weight of the product. Very useful. Just click cancel. Then you can do taxes for each country. And then payments, you can accept payments using all of these different providers. The key ones like Stripe and PayPal to checkout, and then Paystack, Payfast. Depends on where you are in the world as to which one of these would be best for you. And then the checkout, we can add our privacy policy, refund policy, and everything in there too. The other good thing is that you've got styling. So you can choose how you want things to look when people go to your particular page. So here's how it will look for us right now. If we go to our store, everything's sort of here in this main window. But if we want to change the way that looks, we can click on settings. We can change the number of products that are shown in a row. At the moment it's 3. We can change the product layout, and you can see it changing on the fly in the background there as well, like this. So we can just have the photo of the product and no details, or we can have, the details underneath. We can choose to have more products showing on the columns. So a lot of different options there for you as well. Really, really good. We can also show the advanced filter on the left side, so people can do that. We can add a text search so people can search for products. There's so many options that you can use here to make the store appear exactly the way that you would like it. Very, very flexible and powerful e-commerce system, and a great way to just go and build your store all in the one platform, with still having the benefits of a built-in blog, e-commerce store. We've got also the ability to just go and add more products. We've got a customer relationship management system as well. So when people buy products from you, they end up in your CRM. And then, of course, we've got our marketing section, which we've got lots of tutorials on, but you're able now to email people who have purchased from your store and joined your CRM, or joined your email list and ended up in your CRM. So you've got a complete system to build and grow your online store with Fast Funnels. If you don't like this template for any reason, that's fine. You can go ahead and pick another one. You can even just build a website completely from scratch if you want to, an online store. that's perfectly fine too. So lots of options. If you need any help, get in touch with support.